This is just a real quick kind of update on my yard and my garden and what I'm doing. It was nice to see some of you earlier today on the lava lamp science experiment, science art experiment. So I got a few more plants here today. Some of them I planned on getting, like the jalapeno plants, and some I did not, but they didn't have what I did want. I got some seeds. I got some things possibly for some borders. Just a quick update on the garden. It's rained a lot the last few days, but it looks like everything's going well. Everything survived all of the rain. Let's see. I got a few more plants. It looks like I've got some blossoms now. So that's exciting. So everything is going well. I put some chives. Let's see if you can see. I put some chives and what else? Some oregano planted. My green pepper. I had one green pepper that's almost big enough to, not really almost big enough to pick, but it's big enough to be excited about. And then I've got other little ones. Let's see. Other little small ones started. I got some peppers because my cousin Mary had a good idea to put everything you need for salsa. So I've got some jalapeno plants I picked up, and I got some eggplant because it was cheaper if you got more plants. So I got eggplant, some herbs, some succulents for borders, and I wanted to show you. So I have to plant those and some seeds that I have. But also, if you look, can you see that? So this is my pathway to the front. One of them, I have two entrances, one on each side. So if you look here, it's got a nice little stone walkway. But here, it's just dirt. So I looked up how to make pathways out of recycled wood. So I'm going to show you my pile of wood. I was originally going to use it for a fence, but I don't think I am now. I haven't decided how I'm going to make the fence. But I have all this wood from an old, that was donated from an old fence. It's big, like that big. So I'm gonna cut pieces and make a walkway, and then maybe plant some some herbs and some succulents, and we'll see what else. But I'm gonna try to make it sort of like a magical wild wonderland. So that is what I'm gonna work on. Same thing here. After I know I'm not going to use any more of the scrap branches, I'll put those on the side of the road, but I'm going to keep it until I'm ready, and then make a boardwalk that comes from the gate over to the chicken coop, over to the garden, and then we'll see. So I'll post some pictures when that is all ready. But yeah, I'm pleased. My plants all look good. Got a few more things to plant. And I'll plant whatever else will fit. Whatever won't, I'll either put in the ground or in leftover pots. The plants are all looking good. I think they liked the rain. They like their supports. My little trellis, my fancy trellis, seems like it's working well. The plants are starting to go up it. My tomato plant has gotten very tall, and it's got a branch holding it nice and sturdy. So I'm gonna plant a few more plants. The sun's just coming out. It's been rainy and you know, cloudy all day. So here I put in some chives These are chives. So far so good. So that's my update for today. I'll come back and check on it in a few days with you. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye.